Have you been wondering, worried about what to feed for your French Bulldogs? Well, worry no more, because today we're going to show you how and what to prepare for them. Let's start by showing you the things that we needed. First, you will need your container where you're going to be mixing your ingredients. Then, get a black pepper. It should be ground black pepper. And we also have the all-purpose seasoning right here. And of course, salt to taste. For a healthier food, we're gonna need these vegetables. So we have the malunggay leaves right here. And we have carrot. We also have the bottle gourd right here. And of course, we have our meat. Most important ingredients of all. So first we have our gizzard, we have our liver. So these two are chickens, and we also have the chicken feet right here. And lastly, we have our ground pork. Let's proceed on how we will be mixing this very nice. So let's move on to the actual preparation of the food. First, get the chicken feet. And by the way, we have to remove all the fingernails of the chicken feet. Then cut them into small pieces, just like this. The smaller, the better. Make sure you won't cut the nails. The measurement should be at least 1/4 of everything. Okay, now we're done cutting the fingers of the chicken feet. As you can see, we just cut the softer part of the fingers of the chicken feet. So we're gonna set this aside, and then we're gonna be getting our next ingredient, which is the chicken liver. Okay. Just get about 1/4, because this one is about a kilo. What we have to do is to just cut this into small pieces again, just like this. And there you go. So you can even make it smaller. Okay, and just mix this onto the mixing bowl. Okay, now we're going to be cutting our gizzard into pieces. So here we go. Okay, let's put this onto the mixing bowl. And now we're going to be adding our ground beef. Let's get ground beef. Just about this much. And then mix it here. Let's add some more. Of course, more. There we go. Alright, that's just about right. Then we're just going to be it a little bit. Then we will get the vegetable ingredients. First, we're going to get the malunggay leaves. Just remove the leaves from the, and then we're going to be chopping the leaves afterwards. This is just for the leaves to mix with the meat ingredients. So chop it like this. Chop it even smaller. So you can see that it's already fine and ready to be mixed to the meat. Okay, so this is good to go. Let's just go ahead and put this onto the mix. And now we're gonna go ahead and get our carrot. Just get a small carrot and then cut it. And then we will go ahead and chop it afterwards. So we will again chop the carrot just like what we did with our malunggay leaves. Okay. You can chop it just like this or whatever your preference is. Just make sure you chop it so it will mix well with the ingredients. Let's just get this and mix it all. And then let's get the bottle gourd. Cut it, and then chop it again. Again, when you're happy with how you chop it, go ahead and just mix it with the ingredients. Okay, now we're going to be mixing our spices. First, let's mix this a little bit. We're going to get our black pepper. So just a little bit. And then we'll get our all-purpose seasoning. Just a little bit. Okay. And then mix all the ingredients. This time we have to mix it thoroughly, and we will put the salt in a bit. So remember guys, this is not going to be cooked. This is going to be given to your French Bulldogs raw. They're going to love this really. So this is how it looks like. Mix them. It's really fine and it looks really, really tasty. So we're just gonna add the salt so that it'll taste. So just get about this much. Whatever you think is going to be okay for you, if you're going to eat it, then it'll be okay for the French Bulldogs as well. Alright, so just mix them and it's good to go. You can actually keep this mixture in your refrigerator, so you don't really have to feed everything to your French Bulldog. You can still keep it and you will have something for the next day. Alright. Okay, so now we have the food prepped for our French Bulldogs. Let me just give you the look. There they are waiting for their food. Oops. Okay, so this is the prepared food for our French Bulldogs. We have the regular food. We mix the raw food that we've shown you earlier and rice, a little bit of rice. Actually, it's malunggay rice that we prepared for them. So there you go. We're gonna give it to them. Let us show you how they're actually gonna like it. Enchanté. This is Damien. This is Debo. And this is Tyrone. And of course, this is Rhonda. Okay, so she's pregnant, as you can tell. She's about to give birth in a couple of weeks from now. That's why we're putting the malunggay leaves. Alright guys, so say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. There you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like our video. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more French Bulldog tips and tricks. And also hit the notification bell so you won't miss our videos. And share, share, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.